Hey everyone, this is Hayden with Trade in Tech, and in this video I want to talk to you about managing and setting up events on our platform. Now when you're on your profile, you can actually go under here and click on your events. You can see all the type of events that you are hosting, and you can see all the type of events that you're attending as well. If you want to create your own event or you want to see any events that you can attend, you can go under the events section here. Now to create your own event, you'll just go up to this section, you'll click create event. This is where you'll be able to enter your specific event that you have, the category in which it's under, the description. So you can put your contact information, websites, all those types of things. Location as well. So as well as all of the address and everything. You can put the start time and when it ends too. And this can be public to everybody, only your friends, or only you as well. You can also upload a banner image. And when it's all said and done, you'll go under this section and this is what it will look like. Now you can do quite a few things on here. You can actually go through and you can select if you'll be attending, you might be attending, or you will not be attending. You'll be able to see all the updates here as well and any comments under the section, anybody who likes it and has shared it as well. And this is a great way to just collaborate with people and show other companies the type of events that are going on in your industry. This is something that we created. You can go out there and create your own events as well and invite anybody to join them, whether these are trade show events, if these are e-commerce, online events, or even local events as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Go ahead and go through there and post your events so you can entertain your audience online or in one of your local areas too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later.